Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today, we'll be looking at equivalent fractions for grade 5 by solving this homework I gave to my student. And also, we'll be looking at finding perimeters for grade 8. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, it's joining right now. Okay, how are you?
Hello,
How are you, Isra?
I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
welcome to class for today. Please send me your assignment.
Okay.
All right, we're going to continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So the instruction in the work says Emily, the explorer, is lost in the forest and needs some help to find her way through the maze. She can move horizontally or vertically to find her way home. Now say explore the different routes that Ellie or say Emily can take to find her way home by following the path of equivalent fractions, and that is the main point there. So there are various answers, and one example has been shown. Okay, from the example that has been shown, we could see that 4 over 5 here, 4 over 5 is equivalent to 32 over 40 because 8 in 32 is 4, and 8 in 40 gives us 5. Then the same thing with 12 over 15 because you can divide by 3 to get 4 over 5. The same thing with 36 over 45. What will you divide 36 over 45 with to get 4 over 5?
No.
You're going to divide
Mm,
by 9. So if you divide it by 9, you get 4 over 5. And the same thing with 16 over 20. What will you use to divide 16 and 20 to get 4 over 5?
yes.
That's 4. If you divide 16 by 4, you get 4. Divide 20 by 4, you get 5. The same thing with 40 over 50. So what will you use to divide 40 and 50 to get 4 over 5?
10.
10. That's good. What about 28 over 35? What will you use to get
Uh,
4 over 5?
wait. Uh, that's 7.
7. 7 in 28, 4, and 7 in 35 is 5. Then what about 8 over 10?
No. That's 2.
All right. What about 44 over 55?
11.
11. And 20 over 25 is what? What will you use to divide
5.
them? 5. That's good. So she was able to find her way home. They were trying to look for which other path, and you submitted your answer. Okay, you wrote the 4 over 5 stuff out first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one has been done there. Okay, what was your first part? Let's check that one. Hold on. I'm going to continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, now if we go through another path, 2 over 3, where is the next stop?
Uh, wait. 20. 24 over
For
30.
2 over 3. 2 over 3.
Yeah.
Where is the next stop? I think it
4 over
enters
5.
straight into, It
Oh,
enters straight into 12 over 18
18.
because 6, when you divide by 6, you get 2 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Then it enters straight into, does it enter into 8 over 12?
Yes.
So that means if you divide by 4, you get 2 over 3. Okay, does it enter into 6 over 9?
Yes.
Why?
Because 2 can go in 6, 9, 3 times, and 3 can go in 9 3 times.
No. 3 can go in 6 2 times, and 3 can go in 9 3 times. That'll be 2 over 3, okay?
Okay.
Then does it enter into 14 over 21 to give us 2 over 3?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's divided by 7. Now, does it enter into 48 over 60?
Yes.
Why?
Because 2 can enter 48.
Will we have 2 over 3? That's the question. From 48 over 60.
Yes.
What will you use to divide 48 and 60 to give you 2 over 3?
Yeah. Let me see. Hmm.
The only number that could
I
divide
think. Uh,
48 to give us 2, that would be 24. And 24 would not divide 60, so that will not work. Then it should
yeah,
cross.
it should be 4 over 6.
So it won't give us 2 over 3. So where should it go next?
4
Should
over
it?
6.
Did you see 4 over 6 anywhere?
Yeah, under 14 over 21.
Okay, would that give us 2 over 3?
Yes.
Okay, fine. If it goes into this place, let's say, if it goes into this place this way, so where should it go next?
Oh, 18 over 27.
Why?
because
Because you can
32
divide
can
by
go in
9.
18
You
9.
can divide by
Yeah.
9 to give you 2 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Then it goes where again?
Six, 16 over 24.
That is also divisible by 8 to give us 2 over 3. Then where will it go again?
Oh, I- 10 over 15.
Yes, I need to just add home straight because to divide by 5. Okay, we're going to find another route. Hold on, we'll continue shortly. So the path we're able to find here is telling us that what? For the first part, um, for the, let me, so for our first answer, we have what? 2 over 3 equal to what? 12
No,
over
12 over
18
18.
equal to what again?
8 over 12.
And 6
6 over
over
9.
9,
14 over
14,
21.
21. Then
4
what?
over 6.
4 over 6,
18 over 27.
18 over 27.
6, 16 over 24.
And
10
10.
over 15.
So all these are equivalent fractions. All of them have equal values. Okay, now let's go to another one and try to find our way home. 6 over 9. So if it's moving from 6 over 9, where should it go to next? From 6 over 9,
Uh, wait.
where should it follow next? I
Mm,
think 12 over 18. What do you think? Will it give us 6 over 9?
Yeah.
How? You divide it by 2. 2 in 12 is 6, and 2 in 18 is 9, right? Right?
Yeah.
So where should it go to again if we're looking for 6 over 9?
Uh, 8. Wait, no. No.
6 over 9.
I know, I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
Uh,
With
wait, it's
anything,
36 over 45.
what will you use to divide it to give us 6 over 9?
No, 2.
What do you mean?
Oh, that I thought you meant 12 over
We are looking at 6 over 9,
Four.
the part of 6 over 9, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on.
So is there any other
6.
one that will give us 6 over 9?
No.
In this second column, I don't think there's any 6 over 9 there. Okay?
Okay.
So it can't enter the second column. So from this place, in the third column, do we have any 6 over 9? Yes, we have a 6 over 9 here. Okay? And you see 6 over 9 here?
Yeah.
And that's where we started from. So it can still enter the 6 over 9.
Mm.
So is there any 6 over 9 down this one? 6 over 9, no. So it just go into this, follows this
Yes,
6,
I thought Wait, so
6 over 9. So any other way
okay.
through 6 over 9? Mm,
No.
no, no one in this third column. So it could just go straight this way. So is there 6 over 9 in the, yeah, there's 6 over 9 in this next column, which is 18 over 27, okay?
Yeah.
3 can divide 18 and 27 to get 6 over 9, right?
Yeah.
So any other 6 over 9? 6
Hmm.
over 9
Uh,
doesn't exist there. In the other one, no 6 over 9. So it just follows through this and probably just find its way, let's see, into this and maybe straight out of the maze, okay?
okay.
Because there's no 6 over 9 again. Let's follow that path. We'll continue shortly. Second route we found is from 6 over 9 to where? 18, 12 over
Well,
18.
yeah.
Then it doesn't have
6
any
over
way
9.
to go through. Then it enters into what? 18 over 27.
18 over 20.
Then it just find its way along the perimeter home. Okay, but it wouldn't have gotten home. It wouldn't have been a complete maze if you can't pass through the perimeter fencing. Okay,
Okay.
so there's something wrong with this one. Now let's try the next one. Use a green, not a green line. Use a brown line this time. 5 over 9. Can it go through 5 over 9 at all?
Mm. No.
If it wants to go through 5 over 9, Is there any 5 over 9 in the second column?
No.
There's no 5 over 9 here. Okay. That means it won't enter anywhere. The third column, is there 5 over 9? No.
No.
The fourth column, 5 over 9, no. The next column, 5 over 9 is in this place. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. No, it's not. Because even if you divide by 9, this will be 5, this will be 6. This is 5 over 6, not 5 over 9. So, let's see. 5 over 9. The next column here, 5 over 9. And is there any 5 over 9 in the last column? No. So that means this is a red zone. Cannot pass through 5 over 9, okay?
Okay.
Now let's try 5 over 6. If we start from 5 over 6, where can it go through? Second column, is there 5 over 6?
No.
There is. It enters the next box. What can you divide 20 over 24 with to get 5 over 6?
No. 4.
4, and you said no. Then from there, it goes into
55 over 66.
55. Yeah, that's 5 over 6. Is there any other 5 over 6 in that column? No. 18, 12 over 18. No.
Well, 30 over 6.
Yeah,
Ah,
30 over
yeah.
36. That's 6 times 5 and 6 times 6. Where can it go through again?
10 over 12.
10 over 12. Where can it go through again? Maybe this one, right?
Yeah.
What can you divide 45 and 54 with to get 5 over 6? That's
9.
9. Okay. Then where will it go through again? The next one, right?
25 of 25 over 30.
Where again?
50 over 60.
15 over 18, right?
Mm,
Divide by
yeah.
3, you get 5 over 6.
Yeah, I can do 15 over
Yes.
18. Then
So
50 over 60.
50 over 60. Then
Then 35 over
35
42.
over. Then it goes home straight. That's 5 over 6. So that means we found the third root. And that will be what? 5 over 6 equal to what? 20
20 over
over
25.
24. Then
55 over 66.
hmm,
55 over 66.
yes, 30 over 36. Then which one?
45 over 54.
45 over 54. Then 25
Over
over
30.
30 and equal to what?
15
50,
over 18.
50 over 60, right? Oh, 15
No,
over
15
18.
over 18 first.
Then 50
Then 50 over 60.
and
Then 35 over 42.
35. So all these are what? Equivalent
Equivalent fractions.
fractions. Okay, I'm gonna give you a kind of a classwork to do now. Okay,
Okay.
so you're gonna do this one as a classwork now. Once you're through, you send it to me.
Okay.
All right, viewers, we'll continue shortly. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? You're muted. I mean, you are muted, so I can't even hear your response.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have 8 times 3. Then Since 8 times 3 will give us this, then 2 times 3 should be 6. Yeah. Then since 2 times 9 will give us this, then 8 times 9 should be this. Again, we have the same 8 times 3, so 2 times 3. So you go 1, 2, and 3. Then we have 3 times 10 will give us 30, then 13 times 10. Then we have 13 times 6 will give us 78. So 3 times. Did you say 76 instead of 78?
Ah, wait, let me see. Hmm. Yeah, I wrote 76 for
No,
sec actually.
that's a mistake there. So then the other one we have 13 times 9 uh, as 117. Then 3 times 9 is 27. So this one and this one, then this one is missed. We have 18 times 3 gives us this. So 8 times 3 gives us 24. Then for the next one, 44. So it's 18 times 8 to give us this. 8 times 8 is what? 64 euro 62. And 8 times 6 is 48. So we need 18 times 6. And that is 108. Then 15 times 3, 15 times 5, then 6 times 5, that's 30. 6 times 8, then 15 times 8, that's 120. And 15 times 2 with 6 times 2, that's 12 here. 16 times 3, 7 times 3, that's 21. 7 times 10, 16 times 10 is 160. And 7 times 8 is 56. So we need 16 times 8, that'll be 128 instead of 112. Check it again. 16 times 8. Then we have 16 times 6. So that's 96. So this will be 36. And 16 times 3 is 48. So 6 times 3 is 18. Then this is also 96 because of times 6. And the last one, 4 times 5 and 5 times 5, that's 25 here. 4 times 8 and 5 times 8. 4 times 10 and 5 times 10. Then 4 times 6 and 5 times 6, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 out of 20. That's a very good job. So take note of the correction and just wait for your assignment, okay?
Okay.
All right, viewers, we're going to continue later shortly with grade 8 parameters, finding parameters. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Send your assignment to me. All right. So continue shortly.
Yes.
Okay. The first one, we have to find the perimeter of the shape, which is a triangle, and it doesn't matter. What matters is adding the lengths together. So if we add 5 meters plus 6 meters plus 8 meters, that is 14 plus 5. That will give us 19 meters as the perimeter of this first one. So you got 19 meters. And the second one, since we have two parallel and equal sides, this place is going to be 15 and this place is going to be 7 because the other one is 7. So the perimeter is 15 plus 15 plus 7 plus 7. 15 plus 15 is 30 and 7 plus 7 is 14, and this will give us 44 meters. You get that right? Then the third one is a triangle but has two equal sides. They're not parallel but they're equal. So we have this place to be 5 cm. So perimeter will be 5 plus 5 plus 3, and that will be 13 cm. So you got 13 cm there. We have the next shape with two equal sides here. This side and this sides are equal, so this is 3 centimeters. And we are looking for this place because this is 3 and this is 3 and they're equal to this place. Then it's going to be 6 cm for this place. Then since this is the whole thing here is 10, then the addition of this and this will have to be 10. So we got a kind of x and y here to give us 10. So perimeter will be that's 10 plus the other 10, then plus the left side 6 and plus the two threes, which gives 6. 20 plus 12, that is 32 centimeters. That's the pyramid. That's correct. Then the next one we have, this is equal to this, and that will make this one 5 kilometers. And since this is 1 and this is 5, and they're equal to this one, this will be 6 kilometers. And since this is 5 and this is 8, then this should be 3 because 5 plus 3 is 8. So the perimeter here will be 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6. So we get 5 plus 5 is 10 and 8 plus 6 is 14, which is 24 plus 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4, and that will be 28 kilometers. You got 29 kilometers, right? You got 29 kilometers?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on. We're going to check it again. Hold on. We're going to check it again. Let me check and see. This, how did I get 20? This is 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 10, that is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28. But let me check all the sides and see. This is 3 and this is 5, making 8, and this is also 8. That's 16. And we have a 6 here, that's 22. We have 1 here, that's 23. And plus this 5, that's 28, okay?
Okay.
So that means this one is incorrect. We're going to continue shortly. I need to check something. To the next one, we have this place and this place are equal. That will be 2 here. And since 1 plus 4 is here, this is 5. And since 2 plus 2 is 4, this is 4. So the perimeter here equal 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. And that will be the 4 and 4 and 2, that's 10, 15 plus 3, that's 18 centimeters. So you got 18, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then this one, this side is equal to this side, so we have 7.2 here. So we're going to add them together. Perimeter equal to 7.2 plus 7.2 plus 2.8. So we can add all these 7.2, 7.2, 2.8. This is 10, making 12, making 1, and 15 plus 2. That's 17.2 millimeters. Such a kind of yeah. And the next one we have how many sides? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. They're regular, so 4.3 in 8 places. So perimeter will be 8 times 4.3 cm. And that's 4.3 times 8. 8 times 3, that's 24. Then 8 times 2, 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 2, that's 34.4 centimeters. Equals to 34.4. 34.4 centimeters. So, okay. Then the last one, we have some sides equal. This is 9.6 meters, and this is 5.1 meters. So we're going to find the perimeter that is 9.6 plus, um, okay, let me see, I'm writing down here. So perimeter equal to 9.6 plus 9.6, then plus 5.1 plus another 5.1. So we have 9.6, 9.6, 5.1, 5.1. We add them together. We have 12, 13, 14. We keep 1. Then this is 10, 19 plus 10. That's 29.4. 29.4 meters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9. Okay, we have just one correction. Then we continue shortly, okay?
Okay.
Right. Question says find the area of the special quadrilaterals, and then you firstly state the name of the shape. So the first one is here. The name of the shape, as it is, we can call it a parallelogram, and we can also call it a rhombus. If I turn it upside down or something. So, and it's parallelogram in the sense that you see that this side, please look up, is parallel to this side. Then this other side is parallel to the one at the top. And the area of a parallelogram is base times height, because there's two triangles, half base times height plus half base times height. But here, we don't have the height, we only have the two diagonals. What did I say?
I can't hear you clearly.
I know you were not concentrating. That's why. Not that you can't hear me clearly, Favor. I explained something now. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So I said this is a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this, and this side is parallel to the other side. But it's also a rhombus, okay?
Okay.
It's also a rhombus, just like this one you have here. It's also a rhombus and as well as a parallelogram because it has parallel sides. But then the area of a parallelogram is base times height, okay?
Okay.
But we can use that formula. Area of parallelogram equals to what? Base times what?
This
We can
height.
use that formula. We have the base. What's the base? 5 cm. We do
Okay.
not have the height. Okay? Don't
Okay.
mistaken this to be the height. Exactly. This is not the height. The height is something here or something this at this center. Okay?
Okay.
And so since we don't have the height, we can use the diagonals also. That's where the other formula comes in. Area of a rhombus, which we can also use for this, is half of the diagonals. Okay,
Okay.
so that means half times 5 times 3 because diagonals are 5 and 3, and we have 5 times 3 is 15, then over 2, and that'll be 7.5 cm square. Okay, is that
Okay.
yeah? So the same way for the second one, this third one, but not the same for these ones. Okay.
Why?
Yeah, because if you look at the shape, they are not the same shape. Look at this, it's different from this. Look at
Mm.
this one, all the sides are equal, right?
Yes.
And that's the feature of rhombus. But then it's also a feature of parallelogram, but for parallelogram, two opposite sides might be equal. But here, we do not have two opposite parallel sides may be equal. But here we do not we have opposite sides, but they are not parallel. Is that clear?
Yes.
What I mean when I said parallel, please look at it again. This side, the way this one is bending is the way this is bending, okay?
Yes.
But if you look at this one, is there anyone bending this way? No. Okay?
No.
No, this
Yes.
other one is not bending. So that doesn't qualify. That makes this shape not to be called, all these shapes are not parallelograms and they are not rhombus. So they are kites. They are what?
Height.
So the first three shapes are what? Either you call them parallelograms or
Rhombus
you
or
call them, yeah.
parallelogram.
But for this one, it's a kite. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a kite. So now, but then, let me see. So for kite, to find the area, we name it kite. Kite. So the formula for area of kite is also the same with the half diagonals. Okay. So that means the area equal to half times 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Half of 2 times 4, half of 8 is
Well,
4 cm squared. So that is what you're going to use for the remaining 2 there. And for the other one, these ones are not parallelograms and they are not kites. They are trapezoids or trapeziums, okay?
okay.
So let me put it out somewhere here. So this G, so we can say this is a trapezium. And the area for area of trapezium will be half into the parallel sides, A and B, okay? Is that
Okay.
clear? Yeah. Half into the A and B, then the height. And you will see the height has been specified here, okay?
Hmm.
So that's the height. So for,
It's
yeah, area will now be half into 7 plus 17 times 8.
times 6.
So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. 7 plus 17 is what? 24. So what is 24 times 4? That should be 96 if I'm right. What's 24 times 4?
96
Are you sure?
centimeters.
Are you sure it's 96?
Um,
Yes, 20 times
yes.
4 is
Yeah,
80, 4
bro.
times 4 is 16.
Yes.
So it's 96.
Yes.
So that's how you're going to do it. I'm going to send them over as your homework. Since the first ones have been done, these ones have been done. I'm going to remove them from the page, then I'll label the remaining ones as homework. So when you get the notes, you write down the solution to the examples and also you try the homeworks, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So that is where we're going to be rounding up for today. We'll meet next class by the grace of God. So goodbye for now.
Bye.
Yeah. All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. That's what we're going to be saying. Bye for now. See you next time.